Hello everyone, what's up? If you are watching me for the first time, then hi, my name is Kalpana. I make makeup and lifestyle related videos. Welcome to my channel. I am shooting my first video of 2021. Can you believe it's already February and it is my first video? All the videos that I have posted on my channel recently, those were pre-shot and edited. But they all were stuck due to some hard disk issue. Something or the other thing kept happening last few months and I was not able to shoot. It was so suffocating. Alright, I'm not going to go into that story. All I want to say is I'm so happy that I'm finally back. I've come back to my apartment in Bangalore, so I am just hoping that I will not get any technical, physical or any kind of issues and I will be able to make videos. Enough of the ranting, let's talk about this video. I finished up some products both from makeup and skincare. So in this video today, I'm gonna tell you what those products are and whether they work for me, whether I like them or not, and am I going to buy them again since I have finished them. So let's jump into skincare products first. Alright, so the first product that I have finished using is Clinique Moisture Surge. It is their 72-hour auto replenishing hydrator. So I finished this completely and also I got it washed because I wanted to store something in it. Not really sure what I wanted to store, but yeah, anyway, I've got it washed. So this is undoubtedly amazing moisturizer. I just love its velvety texture and how light it feels on my skin. I wish I could show you, but I don't have anything in this bottle. This is hands down amazing moisturizer. Will I be restocking this? No, I won't be restocking it again. The reason being, this gel creme from Dermafique, this works exactly like this Clinique Moisture Surge and it costs less than half of what this product costs. The price of this is 2500 and this cost for 749 for the same amount of product. And trust me guys, it is exactly like this. At least it feels same on the skin. I absolutely love this. I have a complete detailed review of this product. If you wanna check it, just go to this link. So the price point is the only reason why I won't be purchasing it. Otherwise, it's a beautiful product. If price is not a concern for you guys, then please go ahead and buy this product, especially dry skin beauties. You will like it. So the next product that I finished using is a face wash, and this one is Himalaya Purifying Neem Face Wash. Now this product also doesn't need much of introduction. This is really a nice face wash, especially for someone who has oily skin. I have dry skin, but sometimes I start getting acne. I just want to take a break from my usual face washes and go back to this. I don't know if this works or not, but using this at those times just feels better. Once my acne are gone, I just throw this back somewhere. But the good thing is it doesn't dry out my skin. I don't expect this face wash to give me that hydrating and moisturizing while I'm feeling that my dry skin face washes give me. Obviously that's not what it is for, but then it doesn't dry out my skin as well. Now will I buy this again? Not necessary and immediately, because I just use this as my rescue solution and now my skin is doing well. All it needs is a lot of hydration. After my recent trip, it is so dull and dry. Now next product is also face wash. It is Joey's Strawberry Face Wash Sheer Moisture for normal to dry skin. This is my favorite face wash from last 3 years, I believe. Wow, I just love it. The best thing about this face wash is its smell. Strawberry and raspberry, they have my heart. And also not just the smell, it is super moisturizing. After washing my face with this one, I just feel so good. My skin feels super soft and I believe this is the only face wash that I'm still using from 3 years. Will I be repurchasing? Hell yes, I'm already using another tube of this product. Next product I have is from Plum. It is their Caring Day Moisturizer. I just love this tube packaging and the product is also nice. I think just few drops are left. Yeah, so I'll show you. So the product is nice. It's not greasy. It moisturizes your skin well. It even smells fine. It's undoubtedly very good, but then I'm not like super impressed with it. And yeah, so it's kind of a product that I might buy if it's on discount or something. It's not like my go-to moisturizer. That's just my personal choice. I've already shot one video for Instagram and I'm super hungry, so I've just this grapes ka dibba. Okay, next I have this deo from Secret Temptation. The variant is Affair. This product is just okay, and the smell is fine too, although I just feel it is little bit stronger. And also, back in the day I was so much after deodorants, but now I'm all about body sprays and perfumes, so I don't reach out to deodorants that much. It's very old product. वैसे तो आजकल मैं बाहर निकल ही नहीं रही, नहीं तो बाहर निकलने से पहले वो पूरा deodorant से नहाना और मम्मी की डांट खाना was my thing, but no longer. If you like deodorants, then I think you have better options than this. Next up, I have this body wash from Liril in the variant lemon and tea tree oil. Oh my god, I am so obsessed with shower gels. I just love shower gels. Earlier I was crazy for Fiamma Devils, and I don't know how I've shifted to Liril, but I just love this. Both work similarly. It is just like एक चीज का जुनून चढ़ गया है. Otherwise Fiamma Devils is also my favorite. Now talking about this product, I have little shower gels in pink color, green color, blue color. और भी कोई color आता है क्या? Wait, let me check. क्योंकि last year I have used only little shower gels a lot, and I used to order different variants every time. Let me check. On Nykaa I can just see these 3 colors, so yeah, I can proudly say I have used all 3 variants, and I'm so proud of myself. But I literally love this. It smells so fresh and amazing. Yeah, I'm like a kid. I want all the colors. And anyhow, Liril, it just makes me feel so nostalgic. If you're a 90s kid, you know how tempting Liril and Rexona ads would be. Now coming to the makeup products, I don't know how people finish their makeup products, because no matter how frequently I use, how much I use my makeup, nothing gets finished at all. Be it lipstick, foundation, concealer, I don't know what's the magic. Finally, the product that I've managed to finish is another cult favorite, Maybelline Fit Me. My shade is Natural Buff. Undoubtedly, this is amazing foundation. If you are a beginner and starting to use foundation, I highly recommend this, because yeah, it is very inexpensive, works so good and everything, and I've been using it since so long. I already have another bottle of this with the pump, thank god, because I just hated this packaging. So yeah, once I finish that, I will definitely repurchase. Now the next product that I have finally finished somehow is this concealer from LA Girl. Now I love this product, undoubtedly. It is so easily blendable. It covers the blemishes and everything so nicely. The only thing I don't like about this product is its applicator. This applicator, I just don't like it. You don't have much control over the product that's coming out. Sometimes it's like too much product, and sometimes you just have to squeeze this really hard to get products out of this. Yeah, that's the only thing that I don't like. But because I just like this concealer, I have already repurchased it. That's it, you guys. Those were the products that I have finished. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe to my channel and also hit the bell icon so that you don't miss any videos. Also guys, if you want to know how I did this makeup look, then please make sure to check my Instagram. I'll just mention my handle on the screen, and it is always there in the description box. Make sure you're following me there. I'll see you soon in my next video. Till then, bye bye, take care.